Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how to fix the issue many of you have encountered, that CapCut not working. Okay, so the first step that you have to do is to close the app completely and then reopen it. This simple step can often resolve minor glitches. And the second step is that ensure you are using the latest version of CapCut. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for CapCut and check if there is an update available. If there is, go ahead and update the app. Okay, so now moving towards the third step is that you have to simply open the CapCut app on your phone. And once you are in CapCut, you have to simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings menu. Okay, so now here you will see option of clear cache. Simply tap on it and tap on confirm. Sometimes clearing the app's cache and data can help fix performance issues. If clearing the cache didn't work, what you have to do is to simply open your phone settings. And once you're here, you have to tap on apps and notifications depending on your device. And now you have to simply find the CapCut app. And here you have to tap on storage. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply tap on clear storage. Remember one thing, that it will delete your app's data. Okay, so if these steps didn't work for you, try reinstalling CapCut. Uninstall the app from your device and then head back to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to download and install it again. This can help fix any corrupted file. And that's it. Now you know how to fix CapCut not working problem on your Android or iOS device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video.